exposing the mysteries of Bitcoin. We're ready to dive in? Let's go. All right, so what is Bitcoin? Think of it as digital cash. Just like you have dollars or euros, you can have Bitcoin. But here's the twist. Unlike traditional money, Bitcoin isn't controlled by any government or bank. Instead, it runs on a technology called blockchain. Now, don't let that word scare you. Picture a big digital ledger that everyone can see, but no one can change. Every time you send or receive Bitcoin, it's recorded in this ledger. This makes it super secure and transparent. And here's the cool part, Bitcoin is decentralized. That means it's powered by people all over the world using their computers, no middlemen involved. No, it's like a global peer-to-peer network, so why should you care? Bitcoin offers freedom from traditional financial systems, low transaction fees, and it's fast. Plus, it's a way to invest in the future of money. Stay curious and keep exploring the world of crypto. Until next time, happy trading.